Saving face or saving money? Ano ang mas importante sa iyo? Fiestas, birthdays, parties, even if tight na ng budget, gusto natin ipakita success. Kaya yun pong dahilan kung bakit natin tinutuloy kahit na hirap na ang ating budget. Gusto natin mag-show off, di ba? We want our family, friends, and neighbors to see na okay tayo, kaya pa rin nating maganda. Pero ito pa yung catch. Minsan yung celebration na isang araw lang, nauwi sa utang na buwan-buwan mong babayaran. Kaya ang tip ko, i-plan nyo yung celebrations based on what you can afford. Hindi kailangan bongga para maging meaningful. Mas okay yung simple pero walang utang kaysa grand celebration na stress ka naman after. Remember, true success is not about how big your party is, but how well you manage your finances. To stay on top of your finances, click like, follow, and subscribe.